Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today we are going to practice exercise 14A from 11th sum. First we will read out the question. Prem runs around a square park of side 80 meter. Sunil runs around a rectangular park having length 65 meter and width 55 meter. Who runs a greater distance? Listen children, here Prem runs around a square park of side 80 meter. So first one is a square park and side is given. Second one, Sunil runs around a rectangular park. The second shape is in rectangular and here length is given 65 meter and width is given 55 meter. Width is nothing but a breadth. So length is equal 65 meter and breadth equal 55 meter. Now what we want to find is who runs a greater distance. So first we need to find out the perimeter of both the shapes. Then we have to compare. Let us find the perimeter of each shape. First we will find out the square park. Perimeter of a square park. Solution. So Prem runs around a square park. Here the side is given, it is 80 meter. 80 meter is equal side. So we know the formula to find a perimeter of a square. The formula is perimeter of a square equal 4 into side units. Here the side is 80 and the unit is meter. So 4 8s are 32 and add this 0. So what is the perimeter of a square park? It is 320 meter. Now let us find the another perimeter which is a rectangular park. Here the length is 65 meter and the breadth is 55 meter. Let us find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. The formula is 2 into L plus B units. This is the formula. Now we will substitute the values. Length is 65 and breadth is 55 and the unit is meter. That is equal 2 into 65 plus 55 is 120 meter. So 2 12s are 24 and add the 0. 240 meter. Now we got the perimeters of the parks. 320 meter and the another one is 240 meter. 320 meter is covered by Prem and 240 meter is covered by Sunil. So which is the greater distance? Compare these two perimeters. Yes, 320 is the greatest perimeter. So a person Prem runs a greater distance. That is the answer. Let us write the answer. frame runs a greater distance. Have you understood, children? Yes, now we'll move to the next question. A rectangular piece of land measures 850 meter by 700 meter. Each side is to be fenced with 5 rows of wires. Calculate the length of wire needed and the cost of fencing at rupees 80 per meter. Here a rectangular piece of land they are going to fence with wire. Here the measurements are given for the rectangular land. 850 meter is a length and 700 meter is a breadth. Here we need to find the perimeter of a rectangular land first. Let us find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle, that is a land, rectangle land. Formula is 2 into L plus B units. Here length is 850 and the breadth is 700. Unit is meter. Now add the length and breadth. 850 plus 700. It is 1550. Now multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. 1 carry over. 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry over. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 it is 3. So 3100 meter is the perimeter of a land. Now we got the perimeter and they have given that 5 rows of wire they are going to fence. The perimeter we have find for 1 round. Now we need to find for 5 rounds. 1 round equal 3100 meter. Now we need to find for 5 rounds, that is 3100 multiplied by 5 meter. 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 15,500 is for 5 rounds. Now we find the perimeter of a land and the wire needed for 5 rounds. We got it. Now we are going to find the cost of fencing. So here it is given per 1 meter 80 rupees is the cost. Now we need to find 15,500 meter. Write the statement. Cost of 1 meter equal rupees 80. Now we need to find the cost of 15,500 meter. Just multiply the numbers rupees 80 and 15,500. Now here we have zeros at the end. So just count the number of zeros and write 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros we have. Now multiply the remaining numbers. 8 5s are 40. 0 and 4 carry over. Again 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 4 is the carryover. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes, we got the cost for 15,500 meter. The cost is rupees 12 lakh 40,000. Now let us write the answer. Cost of 15,500 meter equals rupees 12 lakh 40,000. Is this clear, children? Let us move to the next sum. Mridul jogs around a rectangular park 100 meter by 80 meter. That means 100 is the length and 80 is the breadth. At the rate of 9 km per hour. How much time will he take in jogging 6 rounds? So here the length and breadth of a rectangular park is given and the speed also given. The speed is 9 km per hour. We want to find how much time does he take in 6 rounds. Solution. First we should find out the perimeter of a rectangular park. Perimeter of a rectangular park. Or you can write simply as perimeter of a rectangle. Formula is 2 into L plus B units. So here L is 100 plus breadth is 80, unit is meter. So 2 into, add the length and breadth, 100 plus 80, it is 180 meter. So 2 18s are 36 and add the 0. Now we got the perimeter. Perimeter is 360 meter. Now we have a distance which he covered in 1 round, but we need to find the distance covered in 6 rounds. So just multiply the perimeter by 6. One round of jogging. It is 360 meter. We need to find 6 rounds. 6 rounds of jogging. That is 360 multiplied by 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 6 are 36. 3 is the carryover. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So the distance covered in 6 rounds is 2160 meter. Now we got the distance covered in 6 rounds. And here the speed is given 9 km per hour. Listen children, here the distance we find in meter, but here the speed is given in kilometer. So now we are going to change the 9 kilometer into meter. We know the formula to convert kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer equal 9 into 1000 meter, that is 9000 meter. So we got the speed in meter. Now we are going to find out the time taken for 6 rounds. We have a formula to find out the speed. The formula is time equals distance covered by speed. So here the distance covered is 2160 by the speed is 9000. Now we are going to cancel these terms. Cancel the zeros first. Next, we will use 4 table to cancel this. 5 4s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 1 remainder. Again 2 4s are 8. 2 is the remainder and 5 4s are 20. Now we have 54 by 225. Let us use 3 table to cancel these terms. 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24, and here 7 3s are 21 and 5 3s are 15. We have 18 and 75. Again we can use 3 table. 6 3s are 18, 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Here we cannot divide 6 and 25 by the same number. So 6 by 25 is the simplest form. And here, listen children, we are going to multiply by 60 the term 6 by 25 because we are converting the time into minutes. We know that 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So we are going to multiply by 60 here. Again we are going to do the cancellation by 5 table. 12 5s are 60 and 5 5s are 25. Here the remaining terms are 6 into 12 by 5. That is equal 72 by 5 minutes. So it is an improper fraction. If we divide this, we can get in the form of mixed fraction. Shall we divide the number? Yes, 72 by 5. We are going to divide. 5 1s are 5. 2 is the remainder and take down the number 2. 4 and 20 and 2 is the remainder. So first write down the quotient 14. The remainder is 2 by the divisor is 5. Yes, we got the time which covered in 6 rounds. Answer is time taken for 6 rounds. equals 14 by 5 minutes. I hope you understood the concept. Is it clear, children? Yes. To receive our online lessons, press subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.